In this video, we will be going over using a field or a separate object to create a database relationship. Now, in our last video, we've gone over how to set up fields to capture relationships. And what we did is we captured the relationship between a student and a degree. And a way that we did that is by adding the degree field on the student. What we also can do is we can actually create an additional database object if we want to capture more information about the relationship, or just if the list that we're storing becomes too big. So to give you an example, I can create a new type called student degree information, and I'll create that like so. What I can then do is I can add the student, I can add the degree, so that allows us just to capture that relationship information, but then I can also add in more information. So I might want to capture the GPA, so the grade point average of a student, and I'll capture that as a number. I might also want to capture their enrollment date, so I'll grab that as a date. And then I might also want to capture their planned graduation date. And I'll capture that as a date. So what using an additional data type allows me to do is it allows me to capture more information about the relationship between a degree and the student. If I just use a field like I was before, I wouldn't be able to capture this additional information.